love the still photos. We've done so many creative things over the years on how you can stage a good back-to-school photo, but this year you're stepping it up. We're going video.
Yes, it's all about documenting right now. You know, what do they love right now? Who are they looking up to? You know, it's usually who they want to be. And so I think it's a really fun way to capture who they are right now.
When I grow up, I'm gonna be a karate teacher, and I want to grow up and be a firefighter.
So if you're doing the front porch classic picture, do that, it's so cute. But take a picture of their backpack. So right now, she just loves everything girly, and so we have flowers, and then I think this year she wants to move to like a cat backpack, and so like it's just like her interests are reflected in her backpack.
Yeah, because that's one of the things they pick out.
Yeah.
The lunchbox would be another.
Yeah, lunchbox too.
Don't hold yourself back here, get creative, and there's no reason why your first day photo can't include that favorite stuffed animal, that favorite toy, or that blanket that your preschooler is leaving at home for the first time.
Preparation is key. So a few things you can do before is if you have a sign or a printout or something, prepare that a few days before. Think about taking your photo across the street or down the sidewalk and really get that whole house in the background.
Oh, I love that idea.
Yeah, it's really fun because, you know, you might never take a photo of your whole house, like the entire house all together.
Yeah.
So back to school photos is a good kind of chance to do that. So have them smile, have them cheer maybe for a photo. If you have siblings, they can like hug each other and then go back to a smile. You want to just keep it moving because the more natural it is, the more natural their smiles will look, and it'll be what you want to capture.